Welcome to my channel. This is Yellow Flicker. You're now watching the static website tutorial. In this video, we will deploy our website using GitHub Pages. Let's get started. First, you will need to have a GitHub account, and once you have signed in, we have to create a new repository. Then for the repository name, we're going to name it your username.github.io. Make sure to set this repository to public, or else it will not be visible to others. Let's hit create repository. Let's click uploading an existing file. We're going to drag all of our static files and drop them into the GitHub webpage. With that done, let's create a quick commit, call it initial commit, and hit commit changes. Having the files uploaded, let's go to the settings tab, and we choose the pages option. Down here, we need to select our main branch to deploy our website. Let's choose root. If you have a custom domain that you want to use, you can insert it here and hit save. Let's now hit visit site. And there we go. Our website has been successfully deployed to GitHub Pages. One important thing to keep in mind is that the repository name must be in the format of your username.github.io, and each GitHub account will only be able to publish one GitHub Pages website. And there we have successfully deployed our website to GitHub Pages. We don't need to insert any command, and it is extremely easy, just drag and drop, and within 5 minutes, our website is up and running. This brings us to the end of the static website tutorial series. Throughout these 5 videos, we have learned about the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as how websites work and how to deploy a website. There are so many more features and elements that we can use, and I definitely recommend you to go check them out from the internet. I'm Real Flicker, and I will see you soon. Stay tuned.